Welcome back, guys, to Crypto channel. Today we'd like to talk about Algorand, just the local price targets. Let's jump in. So here is a weekly time frame on Algo, and I mark it to local zone. Here is the first one between 25 and 28, around 29, this zone, and next one is 34 till 31. So this is two main important zones. So we didn't retest this zone and didn't retest the main support zone. It's not necessary, so we have to retest it. But let's go to daily time frame, and I would like to show you something interesting. Cup and handle pattern. So here we got a pretty clear cup and handle pattern. The target for this pattern will be like this one. So here is the top. When we're breaking out this top, the target will be here. The target will be the top of the second resistance zone. So in this case, I think we can find a rejection. So I think we're breaking out the first zone with impulse, with big green candle, and find the rejection here. Maybe we'll not find the rejection because we got this fair value gap. We make it move like this one. Weak, grab all this liquidity and come back down to retest 28. So it will be the perfect scenario. So if we make a move like this one, retest and continue move up. So if we not, basically usually the cup and handle is play out. So if we not hold this line, trade sometimes here, we can break it out even lower to retest this zone or even this one. But if we drop so low, we should forming the double bottom. But I don't think so. With all this current trend, I don't think so. We will drop so low once again to test 17 cents. So we just follow the trend, just follow the trend with a trend line like this one, retest and continue higher. The road will be open to zero level. It's 79 cents. But maybe we got a really big impulsive move, so we can find the rejection, the massive rejection we can find out at this level, in this block. So it's a value gap between $1.10 and 0.23 level by FIB. It's $1.28. So in this range, I think we will find out the massive resistance zone like this one, retest, hold the line and breaking out, going higher in the next cycle. But if we repeat the pattern with Bitcoin, similar like we got with the COVID dump, so maybe globally, if you invest in this area, for example, maybe we can see something like this one, rejection and retest 18 level by FIB once again. So a lot of people can lose their money if they cut their losses if we reject at $1.28 and come back to test by end of this year 18 level by FIB. But most likely, I don't think so. We will see this scenario. Here, what people have to know about big funds psychology and the psychology of the big investors. Here's a monthly time frame. We got huge divergence on the accumulation stage here. Huge divergence. We drop it down here all day longs. It's a monthly time frame. Imagine the big players start to accumulate from April 2022. So price goes down, retail investors selling it, but big funds accumulate it. What we can see next and what's the main purpose of this one? So just imagine at 56 cents till 93. So in this range, they start accumulate. They push the price lower, but they accumulate a lot, and we get a huge divergence here. So retail investor panicking, selling it, and the big players just accumulate more. So just imagine, what's the point? You can tell me what's the point to push the price now up to $1.20 from 20 cents? Easy explanation to bring the FOMO to retail investors. So here, the big players start accumulate, for example, at 80. Then we drop price to 18 level by FIB on the monthly time frame. Drop to 40. Then drop under 27 zone at 15. So average price for these funds can be, for example, 50. Now they're in losses. Yes, in the massive losses. So everybody's scared, but This guy, for example, one guy bought for 1 million and average price is 50 cents. Now, these big funds easily can bring the FOMO with the media, with the influencers, can bring the FOMO and the push price even to $1. So what they can do next? They just withdraw 1 million own money and just leave free coins. So imagine zero risk. You just invest 1 million, bring the FOMO, put the price higher, retail investor jump in, open loans, and then you just liquidate. Withdraw your money, zero risk, and just leave free coins. So the same story with the retail investors. If you don't want to risk your investment, initial deposit, and for example, you're buying at 17 cents, when the price reach, for example, 0.18 level by FIP, you just can withdraw your investment, initial deposit, and just leave for coins. So zero risk in this strategy. This is how the big funds manipulate the price on the market. So for Algo, for long term, I already showed you the yearly time frame, so we can double check my targets, maybe even higher. We don't know. Guys, I hope you like this video about Algorand. Write please comment what do you think about this current situation on the market. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.